Happy Thursday, Kipsters! How many of you like gumballs? They are so fun to make bubbles with. I have here 32 red gumballs and I have 43 blue gumballs. How can I figure out how many I have in total or how many I have all together? There are many ways I can solve how many gumballs I have all together, but remember yesterday we practiced drawing our quick tens. We can also do that today, but these numbers are pretty big and I don't want to draw all of them out today. So we're going to practice putting the biggest number in our head from the number sentence and counting on. So if you notice in our number sentence, 43 is the biggest number. So what I can do is put 43 in my head and then count the 32 gumballs that I still have that I drew there. So count with me as we count by tens first. We'll say 43, 53, 63, 73, and then now we have no more quick tens. We are left with the two extra ones that are in the number 32. So now we start counting by ones. 74, 75. I have 75 gumballs. Kipsters, did you notice that when we were counting by tens, the ones place did not change? So we started with the number 43. And as we counted, and you look on the screen, we said 53, 63, 73. Notice how each of those numbers also had three ones. And the only thing that was changing was our tens place. So even though we started with the number 43, and it already had some extra ones in there, we can still count by tens really quickly. We just have to change the tens place and the ones place stays the same. So one more time, we said 43, 53, 63, 73, and we could keep going up to 83, 93, 103, and the ones place just wouldn't change. But our ones place did change once we started to count the extra ones. So those two little circles that you see there are our extra ones. We couldn't say 73, 83, 93 because they're just ones. So we had to start counting by ones. And that's when our ones place did change. So we went from 73 to 74, 75. As we work to solve these problems and these number sentences, remember there is no right way to solve these. If you have a different way to get the total, you can go ahead and do it your way too. But today we're practicing counting on. That means putting the biggest number in our head and counting what we still have left. So we're going to start with the first one where it says 84 plus 12. I already made 84 in my head. It's right there. And I drew 12 with my quick tens. Remember, 110 is when I draw a line like that. And any extra ones that I have to draw, I just draw a little circle. So remember how we just counted by tens? We can do that again. So we'll say 84, and next one, 94. And now there are no more tens that I can count by, so I'll say 95, 96. My answer is 96. And Kipsters, did you notice, again, when we counted by tens, our ones place did not change. And now we can do letter B. The second one, it says 71 plus 26. As I draw this on the board, what number am I going to put in my head? What's the biggest number in 71 plus 26? And what number do I have to draw using my quick tens? All right, so I'm going to draw the number using my quick tens. Let's see if you got the same one I did. Yep, so we put 71 in our head, the biggest number, and then I drew 26 using my quick tens and some extra ones that I drew. Now we can count by tens. So we'll say 71, 81, 91. Do I say 101? Nope, I can now start counting by ones. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. I have 97. Okay, let's try to do letter C. We have 57 plus 22. What number am I going to put in my head the biggest number, which is 57. And then I drew 22 using my quick tens and ones. And now we can start counting by tens. 57, 67, 77. What do I say next? I say 78, 79. My answer is 79 for letter C. Let's do letter D. If you're doing this, let's see, what number will we put in our head for letter D? What's the biggest number? The biggest number is 59. And what number am I drawing with my quick tens and ones? 41. So I can draw 41, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. Now I have 41. And what do I do now to add all of this together? I'll put 59 in my head and count on by tens. 69, 79, 89. Look up sucks. 99. What do I say now? I said 99. 109? No, it would be 100, because now I count by ones. So 59 plus 41 is 100. For this next one, which number do you think we're going to put in our head? 35? No, you know that's the first one that's in that number sentence. We're actually going to put the biggest number in our head, which is 65, and then count on by tens. 65, 75, 85, 95. Remember, our ones place doesn't change as we're counting by tens. But now there are no more tens, we're now getting to the ones. So now our ones place will change. So we'll say 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Our answer once again is 100. And if we do letter F, 26 plus 54, what number will go in our head? 54 will go in our head. And what number are we drawing using quick tens and ones? 26. So I'll draw 26. 10. Let's draw it one more time. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And now we can count. 54, 64, 74, and now we count by ones. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Our answer is 80. Now we have a bonus problem. See if you can do this one all by yourself by pausing the video and then coming back and doing it with us. Let's see if you can get the right answer all by yourself. All right, so if you pause the video, you should have tried and solved by yourself. So now I have 57, my biggest number, and I see I'm adding 42. So I will draw 42 using my quick tens. So 4 tens and 2 ones. And now I can count on by tens. 57, 67, 77, 87, 97, and now I count by ones. 98, 99. My answer for our bonus problem is 99. Great job if you also got the right answer. For your exit ticket, try and see if you can solve these two number sentences by yourself using the strategy we used today of putting the biggest number in your head and counting on with your drawing of quick tens and ones. If you thought it was a little too challenging, you can also use whatever strategy you think makes sense to you. See you tomorrow, Kipsters.